Hi everyone and welcome back. We are on day 9 now. I'm going to do a candy cane, and I'm also going to put a branch within this set of 3, which will be really nice. So I'm just going to come on with a little bit of water. So I'm coming further than I want the branch to go so that it has a nice soft effect. But I'm going to come around the candy cane. So it's just a little bit of water. I have got that mix of intense green or viridian green and a bit of brown to dull it down to a natural green, which is burnt sienna that I've used. And then what I'm going to do is just come on. This is with my round number 6. And I'm flicking outwards. So this is going to give a nice soft effect. And give me a bit of a tree branch. Nice loose tree branch. Just come around the candy cane. A little bit of water in that, just not quite flowing enough. And if I take a small flat, I'm going to show you a different brush action now. I just take a little bit of the blue. This is the intense blue or phthalo blue, or even a Prussian blue would do. And I'm going to use the brush on the vertical. These are all different brush strokes to use. So you can see I'm using it on the vertical. So it's another way of getting a really nice stroke and a variety of strokes. Variety helps greatly when you're painting any picture. So I'm still within the wet. There's an occasional bit I've gone into dry, which is absolutely fine. Talked about the combination of hard and soft edges and how it works. So I've got a lovely tree branch in there. I'm going to dry this off and then we'll start on the candy cane. Okay, so that's nicely dry, and I've got some cadmium red here. Or you could use a little bit of something like a Windsor red. And I'm going to start to paint in the red stripes. So I'm using a round number 6. I'm going to leave a bit of white in each one. This is because I want it to look shiny. So similar to the star, then having those white highlights, the white highlights will denote a shininess. So I'm going to leave white highlights. You can just pick out little chunks. Got these little highlights all the way down. Similar position. Now if I take a bit of the red and a dab of the green, I'm going to get a natural shadow colour, and I just want to run that whilst this is still damp just along that inside edge of the candy cane. Then I'm going to take some of the blue, but I want to make sure that my brush is loaded in it so that it's nice and watery, and we're going to use the blue to shadow the white. Now I don't mind if they run together a little bit, I quite like that, but if you wanted to keep it really neat and not as loose, then I would suggest drying it in between. So I've got that little bit of blue, and then I'm just going to bring, and I'm drawing with the brush here, a little bit of that blue through, but I'm in that arching motion, the same as how I drew it out, so that it looks like it's curving round. And then with a little bit of the green, I need to just look at this, because at the minute it looks like it's floating mid-air, and what I need to do is try and bring this in to the branch of the tree so that it's hooked over. So to do that, I'm going to start to just bring a few little bits through. And already it looks like it's hooked into the tree, which is what I wanted. So I've done that with a number 6. I'll just dab into a little bit of that blue that I used as well in the tree, just to hold it all together. You can see now that that's looking like it's hooked into the tree. So that's it, we've finished number 9, and I shall see you tomorrow for number 10.